We have a couple of ways to activate Gemini on POCO M8 5G. One of the ways is to simply go to the app drawer and you should be able to find the Gemini app. It is pre-installed on POCO M8 5G, so you can just tap over here, open it, and you can start using it. We have the text prompt over here, which you can just write whatever you want to know about. You can ask Gemini pretty much anything. Over here at the bottom we have some additional tools that you may want to use. For example, this button over here in the bottom right corner allows you to have like a proper conversation with the Gemini, where you can just simply talk to Gemini by using the microphone on your phone and have a normal conversation. Besides that, you can activate the Gemini by pressing and holding the power button. So if you do so, and if you grant the permissions if needed, then you can say something out loud and then you can just ask Gemini to get some information for you, for example. Now, besides these options, of course, we can also have a widget. So we can add a widget to the home screen, which allows you to quickly access some of these options. I can actually adjust the size for that. So you can just tap Ask Gemini, you can go to the live mode, we can enable screen share, or we can start a video mode. Which is of course also a valid way to use Gemini. Besides that, there is one more way to activate Gemini, but we need to actually use gestures for navigation for that. So let me quickly switch to gestures. And now, if I want to activate Gemini, I can also swipe from the bottom left or bottom right corner to the center of the screen, like this. This gesture also allows you to activate Gemini on your phone. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.